I've been using the McGuire.
These seats are not meant for pants. They're meant for skin only.
All
right, so I'm with Patrick from Bling Sauce. Patrick, nice to meet you. Your 1985 Toyota, is that a T100?
It's actually a Toyota truck. It's before the T100, before the Tacoma. It's literally registered. Mike Finnegan owns it, YouTube star. Great guy, good friend of ours. And it is a 1985 Toyota truck.
My 1993 is also just a plain old pickup truck.
I love it. It's great.
It's
you
fun.
don't have any of that anymore.
Your truck and my truck look exceptionally I know it's not your truck, but it's like
Yeah.
yours here is
Yeah.
significantly different than mine.
Yes.
Way less rust on yours.
Yeah.
So
they did a good job on this one.
So you are representing Bling Sauce. What is Bling Sauce?
So Bling Sauce, we've been around about 17 years. Predominantly, we're known in the marine and RV industry. We have a line of sauce products, hot sauce, vinyl sauce in the marine world. Can be found in North America, anywhere, across multiple states through Canada at Bass Pro, Cabela's. We're here demonstrating and showing off our new Platinum line of products, which is specific for the automotive line. So that's the new products that we have here at SEMA 2023.
Awesome. And tell us, for the auto industry, what are the specific products?
We have 5 of them we launched with. Secret Sauce, which is a ultimate spray-on ceramic coating with a polymer sealant, very easy to use. We have a Leather Sauce, which is a 2-in-1 leather cleaner and conditioner. We have a Trim Sauce, which is a 3-in-1 product that's going to clean first, then restore, and then protect the black plastics or plastics on your vehicle. We have a Topless Sauce, which is for the convertible top cleaners. Great cleaner, very safe to use, but really strong and will not do any harm to any paint. Works on any convertible top, a Jeep, the new Broncos, anything there is perfect. And our final one is Techno Sauce, and that is a product for the electronic screens in all of the cars that are all of today's rage.
Amazing. So this new Platinum line, how soon till they're available up in Canada?
We are working on that right now through distribution and possibly through some AutoZone locations as we get up there. We're launching to almost all the AutoZone stores spring of 2024 with the Platinum line.
Amazing. So the products that you have already, they are already available. Like the marine products are available at Cabela's, so Abbotsford. We got some products there already. Now, did you actually say hot sauce?
Hot sauce. That's
like
the
that,
name of the product.
Oh, it's hot sauce. So I can't actually put it on my food.
No, don't do that.
Okay.
Don't
and what
do
about
that.
topless sauce? Can I put that on my skin?
You could.
Because you said it wouldn't harm the Bronco tops.
It won't harm that. It won't harm anything.
Will it harm this Bronco top?
No way. No, you're safe. Totally safe.
We're gonna shine up here, ladies.
That's why we're here at SEMA, Las Vegas.
I mean, lady, period, single. I'm gonna put on my bottomless sauce.
For like a week or two, and then
Yeah, no kidding.
these will this work?
Yeah.
So this is a 1985 Toyota truck. That's it, pickup truck. No T100, no SR5, just like mine.